Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be going over the LED sign project, or here's your sign. So this is like our capstone project, where we're going to be combining a ton of different skills that you've learned in all of your technology and engineering classes. This one, all the cycles in 6th and 7th grade, and maybe in a different elective if you've already had one. We're going to be creating our own LED sign using 3D printers, the laser cutter, and we're going to be building a simple circuit. So some specifications: the base must be created from the provided orthographic drawing. It's going to be 3D printed. You're going to create an image from scratch, no copy and pasting, to be lasered onto a piece of acrylic that's a 1/4 inch thick. And your design for that has to fit inside a 3-inch by 3-inch box. And we're going to be creating a simple series circuit that is going to be soldered together. That's going to include a switch, a battery, and an LED strip. So for the CAD portion, which is what this video is going to entail, we are going to be all creating this exact same base to be 3D printed. So we're all going to make this from a drawing, okay? And it's going to end up, let's see if I have it. It's going to end up looking something like this. So we're going to make a couple of components. We're going to make the base. We're going to be making a switch. We're going to be making a cover for the bottom, as well as a battery that goes inside. And then this is our piece of acrylic, or it's going to represent our piece of acrylic, just so you can see what this is going to look like when it is all put together. So this video is going to be a silent video once I kind of get moving and grooving. So we're going to be making the LED base. So for the CAD portion, you have to make the LED base, which I provide a drawing for. Here we go, which I'm going to talk about more in a moment. We're going to be making a battery. This just represents the battery. We're going to be making a switch, and we're going to be making the piece of acrylic. Now, for our base, right, I have our orthographic drawing here. It's going to be provided for you. A little bit different though, just because there's a lot going into this piece and trying to show you all the views. Notice the text by each view, right? So this is the top view of the top of the base. This is the front view. I gave you the left side because we have the hole for the switch is going to be on the left side. So this is the left side of the base. And then here's the bottom. So you can kind of see all of the sides. And I didn't put the hidden lines on there just so you don't get too confused, because there's going to be a lot going on in the drawing. But I did put them on this side just so you can see the amount that we're extruding to kind of hollow that out. So again, all the drawings are provided for you. This is just going to be me making the pieces and then kind of going from there, maybe in a future video. So I already created a document to whatever period you're in, your first name, your last initial, and then LED sign. Without any further ado, here we go. All right, so that is me making the LED base. Um, Look for another video where I'll make the other pieces and do an assembly as well as talk about the design for the acrylic. All right, I hope that helps. See you in the next video.